Hi, today we're going to continue our ARM review series here on LensVid, and we're going to take a look at the LanParte 10-inch Magic Arm and small quick release system. So let's take a look. As part of our ARM review series, today we'll be taking a look at the LanParte FANS 10-inch ARM and the company's new mini quick release system. We have already looked at LanParte's RF remote for Sony cameras, and this time around we will be checking out a new ARM and quick release system by the company. The FANS is a pretty straightforward 10-inch Magic Arm. Actually, it's 10.5 inches or just under 27 centimeters tip to tip. It is lightweight at just under 9 ounces or about 250 grams, and it has a single wing with a built-in ratchet mechanism, and its two tips are 1/4 inch 20, which is all pretty common. The unit has an official payload of 4 kilograms or almost 9 pounds, which is actually higher than the beefier Manfrotto 244 Mini, which we also tested here. In practice, the arm should hold a decent amount of weight from our test, and also comes with an interesting looking hex wrench for securing it without twisting, a less elegant but much cheaper solution than the Manfrotto 244 micro anti-twist mechanism. This wrench also doubles as a bottle opener, by the way. For us, the most exciting product is not necessarily the arm, which is very decent but not that special, but actually the mini quick release system, which LanParte calls affectionately Tiny V quick release because of the similarities to how a full-size V-mount battery connection works. The Tiny V is small, about 1.5 inches over 1 3/4 inch or 3 centimeters over 3.5 centimeters, and is fully metal and feels very nice in the hand. It has a nice reassuring click to it when it locks in place, and the aesthetics of the green lock bottom is actually quite pleasing. There are currently 2 versions of the Tiny V that we are aware of, with more probably arriving later on. The original MQR01, which is grey, angled with a 1/4 inch 20 thread at the base and designed mostly for holding monitors, and the newer MQR03, which has a flat base and it comes with an additional cold shoe that attaches using 4 tiny screws with an Allen key. The Tiny V can also accommodate different plates. We only have the straight one with a tip that prevents the monitor from turning unintentionally, but LanParte has, or is currently working on, a Tiny V that is completely flat for other types of accessories such as recorders or lights, although we have no idea about the availability of these plates. For us, the Tiny V are exactly what we have been looking for when it comes to a quick release system for accessories such as monitors, recorders, more lights and microphones. We have been using Manfrotto's RC2 system for our cameras and our accessories for a long time, and although we still love it for its extra security, low price and availability, there is definitely something to be said for the extra small size of the Tiny V, and we wish the system will continue to evolve and become more readily available. At the time of writing, getting a hold of one is a bit of a challenge, and we're not aware of a way to get an extra plate with no base. As for pricing, the LanParte FANS 10-inch Magic Arm costs just under $80, which is very reasonable compared to some of the competition, with a kit that includes the MQR01 Tiny V quick release system selling for just under $100. On its own, the Tiny V MQR01 costs about $35. So that was our look at the LanParte 10-inch Magic Arm and quick release system. You can read the full review on lensvid.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more videos just like this. See you next time.